Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am ready to actually tell you what is about to happen for Bitcoin here, and I think it has been very clear cut that Bitcoin is about to make a very big move in the next 24 hours. So within 24 hours, do expect Bitcoin to make a big move, whichever direction it's going to be, pump or dump. It's just going to be big. If it's a dump, it's going to be big one. If it's a pump, it is going to be big one. But I want to apply logic, and I want to show you the charts and what the charts have been doing so far. And to me, I think Bitcoin is really overbought right now, honestly, especially on the 1 hour. Since $74,000, Bitcoin has been up 40%. So imagine this, 40% pump has happened for Bitcoin during this time. So what do you guys think after 40%? Do you think it's going to continue? Maybe. But what are the chances of continuing and correcting? What's the chances? If you just think about it, if you zoom out and you look at all these things, you just, psychologically, you're going to feel like, yeah, there could be a pullback, right? And that's true. If that's the answer, that's true. Now, one more thing is $91,000 is a place where Bitcoin still has a CME gap. That's also another thing to think about. But right now, what I want to show you is this diamond top, because this is as clear as the moon that Bitcoin has created a diamond top, and it's actually pretty much ready to make the next move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write in there like diamond top, and let's do pattern, I guess. Yes, so diamond pattern, diamond top pattern, and you can look at the images, and this is how it looks like, right? So this is one of so many examples that you can look at. So this one, number one, if you zoom in there, number two, if we kind of zoom in here as well, there's a diamond bottom as well, diamond top as well. This is another one. I don't know which coin this was, but this was also another one, and you can see that very soon enough, when you pop to the downside, it actually goes and move pretty low. So to me personally, the first technical target, if it does pop down, and in my opinion, your stop losses are going to be up at 104.70, or maybe 104.900. Let's just put a roundabout figure of $105,000. Let's just say just above this area is going to invalidate this diamond top, right? And it's hard to say if you're going to do that. It's really hard to say, because unless you just don't really do it, we do not know if it's going to happen, right? So that's resistance or invalidation scenario. The next thing that is about to happen, unfortunately, is that if you do zoom in there and if you start to notice how this resistance looks like, then you're pretty much being rejected in here, honestly. So this is a couple of rejection going on, and chances are you're looking for the next move down, come down, pop down, retest, and absolutely go to the downside. And the next technical target for the diamond top, because now you understand the threat that is about to come, and this is going to be a scenario here from top to bottom right there. Yeah, if you pop down, you're going to be looking at a technical target of $98,500. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.